I'm Natasha Antonioni, a realtor and intentional interior designer located here in Austin, Texas. And today is the fifth and final series of steps to manifest your dream home. It's all about building your support team. So let's get started. And there is a bonus 6th step, so stick around until the end. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get started. Number 5. Build your support team. Just do it. You do not need to do this on your own. You can find people in your life that can be accountability partners. It could be your accountant that helps you to save. It could be working with a trusted realtor that you can share your vision with. I highly recommend this actually. As a realtor, if a client showed up to our first meeting with a vision board of the house that they want, I cannot tell you how helpful that would be. It would give me the opportunity to, instead of just combing through house after house, have a clear idea about what type of home do my clients really want to be in. Checking in with this accountability partner, accountant, realtor, friend, whatever it is for you, on a monthly basis, having it on the calendar and being consistent will help you feel like you're really moving towards your goal. The power of shared goals. It's been proven that when people work together on their shared goals, the combined focus and effort can lead to greater results. This is partly due to the emotional support we get, the shared resources, and the amplification of ideas. Having the accountability piece forces you to show up for yourself and helps you focus on achieving your goals. If your team can see your vision, they can help you to create it faster. So aside real estate note, in real estate, what we say is we want to find the 85% house, right? We don't want to find that perfect house. I mean, if you have the budget for that and you can build it, or you're not so super picky, or whatever it is for you, but the 85% rule is really recommended rule, because let's say that you have a budget of $1 million and you find the 85% house at $850,000. You still have $150,000 to make those final tweaks to make it the home that you dream of. So looking for the 85% house is highly recommended. The 85% house allows you to put your own stamp on the house. And if you haven't seen it already, check out my intentional design video. It shows you how to design your home to become a storyboard of your goals and dreams. Okay, let's review. We have 5 principles. Number 1, get clear. Number 2, set realistic goals. Number 3, sensory embodiment. Number 4, actionable steps to achieve your goal. Number 5, build your support team. And I want to give you a bonus number 6, and that is stick with it. Don't give up. Hold on to that vision no matter what curveballs life brings you. So that Napa house that I was telling you about, we lived in it for 30 days. And then the 2017 fire swept in and we lost the house. But here behind me, you get to see my white modern farmhouse that we ended up building here in Austin. So we got the dream. It may not have looked like we thought it was gonna look. And I have to say, when I look back on that, I think, was I in resonance? Because it could have been a sort of semi-retirement situation as we were building another Airbnb on it. So it could have been a situation where I didn't have to work. I could have just, both of us, my husband and I, we could have just sort of lived more of a passive income lifestyle and done a little bit of work on the side at a fairly young age. And so was I ready for that? Was I in resonance with that? I may not have been. We may not have been in resonance with it yet. And so hence the latter, one step at a time. Anyway, it turned out better than I could have imagined. We are so fortunate and we are so grateful, and I invite you to be fortunate and grateful too. Thank you. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because your views and your likes keep me creating more content just like this. We'll see you soon. Bye.